The DS18 PRO-69.4MSL is back and better than ever, with an extreme durability water-resistant cone and a big sound from that titanium compression driver. This shallow mount 6x9 is going to be very extremely loud. With 175 watts RMS of power, 350 watts of max power, 97 dBs, a 1.5 inch voice code, and a frequency response from the 60 Hz to the 20 kHz. This 6x9 is gonna be heard anywhere. It can be mounted almost in any shallow place. Check this out. You got a steel basket on the back part. You got a base blocker to protect that compression driver. Push terminals for easy installation. The magic is here. Check this out. It comes with this detachable grill. You can see here the water resistant cone right there. It's a paper cone, water resistant. You have a rubber gasket to protect that compression driver, but the compression driver also has this mesh grill behind it, so no water will penetrate that compression driver. Now the grill, you guys can see it has a protective mesh on the back. It also protects this cone for any environment that goes at it. But it's too technical. You guys want to see this 6x9 in action? Let's connect it, pick out a song, and go from there. You start at a low volume. This is a 5% volume.
Oh my God, when I see you I should run, but I'm frozen in motion.
10%.
Tells me to stop, tells me to stop.
You guys can hear the two tones. I'm gonna remove the grill. Nice clean vocals, crispiness on that compression driver. The mid bass is on point. This is the PRO-HY69.4MSL. If you guys haven't checked it out, make sure you check it out. I'm Mr. DS18 and we like it loud.